Hi everyone, today in this video I'm about to show you guys how to transfer Bitcoin from exchange to hardware wallet. So yeah, let's start video. In this video I will show you some steps and instructions. So first step is this: you can choose your hardware wallet. You can spend anywhere from $50 to $100 on hardware wallet depending on its feature, probability. If you need regular access to your crypto keys, and then support cryptocurrencies, support operating system, and then your now what you can do: step 2, download wallet software. After buying your hardware wallet, the typical first step is to download software. And then step 3, safely store your recovery phrase. And after that, set up your accounts on your hardware wallet and then transfer from your exchange. If your funds are on exchange such as Coinbase, log on to your account from there. Click the send receive button and copy the address provided in the hardware wallet software. After waiting a few moments, you should see your funds show up on the hardware wallet's dashboard. So this is how you can do it. These steps are helpful for you. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.